Eating out.
Do you enjoy eating out?
Yes, I love it.
How often do you go to restaurants?
I usually go once a week.
What type of cuisine do you prefer?
I prefer Italian food.
Which Italian restaurant is your favorite?
The one on King Street.
Do you usually book a table?
Yes, I call them the day before.
Can you also book online?
Sure, I use their website.
Do you ever get a confirmation email?
Yes, it arrives instantly.
When do you usually arrive at the restaurant?
I get there about 7:15.
Do you like to be seated quickly?
Yes, I prefer a prompt seat.
Is there a waiting list?
No, they usually have a table ready.
What do you usually order first?
I start with a soup.
Which soup is your favorite?
The tomato bisque.
Do you like to share starters?
Sometimes we share a plate of bruschetta.
What main course do you usually pick?
I often have the spaghetti carbonara.
Do you like your pasta al dente?
Yes, exactly.
How spicy do you want it?
Not too hot, just a little kick.
Do you order a drink with your meal?
Yes, I usually have a glass of red wine.
What kind of wine do you prefer?
I like a Chianti.
Do you ever try a dessert?
Yes, I usually have tiramisu.
Do you like the coffee after dessert?
Sometimes I just have water.
How do you pay the bill?
I usually pay by card.
Do you ever split the bill?
Yes, we often split it equally.
What do you think about the service?
It is friendly and fast.
Do you ever leave a tip?
Yes, I usually leave 10%.
How do you decide which restaurant to try?
I read online reviews.
Do you trust those reviews?
Usually they are helpful.
What is your favorite dish at that restaurant?
The mushroom risotto.
Do you like it spicy?
A little heat is nice.
Do you ever order a salad?
Yes, I often have a Caesar salad.
Do you add dressing yourself?
Usually the dressing is on the side.
What do you think about the portion size?
It is just right.
Do you ever feel it is too big?
No, it's perfect for me.
Do you like to try new dishes?
Yes, I love exploring the menu.
How often do you ask the waiter for recommendations?
Sometimes I ask for the chef's special.
What is the chef's special today?
Today it is grilled sea bass.
Do you like fish?
Yes, especially when it's fresh.
Do you ever order a vegetarian dish?
Sometimes I try the vegetable lasagna.
Do you like the lasagna?
It is creamy and delicious.
Do you ever bring children to the restaurant?
Yes, we bring them on weekends.
Is there a kids menu?
Yes, they have a small menu.
Do the kids like the food?
They love the chicken nuggets.
Do you ever order a dessert to share?
Yes, we share a chocolate cake.
Is the cake very sweet?
It is just sweet enough.
Do you ever ask for a to-go box?
Yes, we ask for leftovers.
How long does the service usually take?
Usually about 20 minutes.
Do you ever have to wait longer?
Sometimes during rush hour.
Do you like the ambience of the restaurant?
It is cozy and relaxed.
Do you ever go there for a special occasion?
Yes, we celebrated our anniversary there.
Did you like the birthday cake?
It was delicious and beautifully decorated.
Do you ever use coupons?
Sometimes we have a discount voucher.
Do you prefer a quiet corner seat?
Yes, it feels more private.
Do you ever sit by the window?
I like the view of the street.
Do you ever order a bottle of wine to share?
Yes, we often share a bottle of white.
Do you like red or white wine more?
I prefer red wine.
Do you ever try a cocktail?
Sometimes I order a mojito.
Do you like it sweet or sour?
I like it a little sour.
Do you ever order a coffee after dinner?
Yes, an espresso is nice.
Do you like the music in the restaurant?
It is soft and pleasant.
Do you ever go there for lunch?
Yes, I often have a quick lunch.
What do you usually order for lunch?
I like a chicken salad.
Do you like the salad dressing?
It is light and tangy.
Do you ever order a sandwich?
Yes, I sometimes have a club sandwich.
Do you like the club sandwich?
It is tasty and filling.
Do you ever order a dessert for lunch?
Sometimes I have a fruit yogurt.
Do you like fruit yogurt?
It is fresh and light.
Do you ever go to a cafe instead of a restaurant?
Yes, I like a quick coffee break.
Do you usually order a pastry?
I often have a croissant.
Do you like croissants?
They are buttery and flaky.
Do you ever try a vegan option?
Sometimes I order a tofu stir-fry.
Do you like tofu stir-fry?
It is tasty and healthy.
Do you ever ask for gluten-free dishes?
Yes, the restaurant has a gluten-free pizza.
Do you like gluten-free pizza?
It tastes just as good.
Do you ever celebrate a holiday at the restaurant?
Yes, we had a Christmas dinner there.
Did you enjoy the Christmas menu?
It was festive and delicious.
Do you ever go there for a business meeting?
Yes, we sometimes discuss projects over lunch.
Do you like the quiet area for meetings?
It helps us focus.
Do you ever order water?
Yes, I usually ask for sparkling water.
Do you like sparkling water?
It feels refreshing.
Do you ever ask for a high chair for a child?
Yes, they provide one.
Do you like the restaurant's Wi-Fi?
It is fast and free.
Do you ever use the Wi-Fi to check the menu?
Yes, the digital menu is handy.
Do you ever ask for a kids' activity pack?
No, they don't offer that.
Do you ever leave a review online?
Yes, I wrote a 5-star review.
Do you think the staff were friendly?
They were very helpful.
Do you ever recommend the restaurant to friends?
Yes, I often suggest it.
Do you ever plan a date night there?
Yes, it's a romantic spot.
Do you like the lighting for a date?
It is soft and intimate.
Do you ever order a dessert to end the meal?
Yes, a cheesecake is perfect.
Do you like cheesecake?
It is creamy and sweet.
Do you ever ask for a takeaway box for the cheesecake?
Yes, we take the rest home.
Do you ever feel full after a big meal?
Yes, I'm usually satisfied.
Do you ever think about coming back?
Definitely, I will return soon.
Thanks for watching.